Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to demonstrate step by step how to earn up to 100 US dollars by typing names online. It may seem like a clickbait, but I can assure you, whatever I put or upload here on my YouTube channel is authentic. I don't scam people here. So whatever I post on my YouTube channel is authentic. It works. Now you have to follow some of the procedures so that you can reach that amount that is demonstrated or even above the amount that I'm stating here. Now, this idea that I'm going to show you is available worldwide. So you can do it wherever you are. Now, what are the tools that are needed? The tools that are needed are it's just a mobile phone and a laptop. And I think you have your smartphone right now. So even that smartphone, even if you don't have a laptop, it is enough to start your online earning business here. Now, what you need is just to go on Google, type squadhelp.com, as I can, squadhelp.com. Now, you'll be brought to this website, as you can see it here. You can be brought to this website. It's called Squad Help. Now, what are you going to do in this website? There are several things that you are going to earn money by using this website. So I'm starting with the first one, then I'll finish with the second way of earning money. The first way of earning money in this website is by submitting names. Names. There are several companies and individuals who are building different uh, websites, different products, creating different products, whatever. So they need ideas, they need names, they need taglines, they need names, they need brand names. So they want people who can think of good names. And once you submit a good name, they're going to buy here and you're going to be paid the amount that they state here on this platform. Now, what are you supposed to do so that you can start earning money on this website? What you need is just sign up. So just type on Google squadhelp.com, then come to this website, then you can sign up here. Now, if you have an account already, you just log in here. So if you don't have an account, you just sign up here. After signing up, you can come direct to the place written contest here. It is written contest. You can see here, browse. As you can see here, active contests. Here, you should click the active contests, mean that they are available. The companies and individuals are looking for ideas or names and taglines so that they can buy and start their own business. Now, let us click here. You'll find so many businesses have already listed here. They want creative people who can think of good names and taglines uh, and slogans so that they can buy here. What you need is just to think. You don't need any skills, just thinking and to be creative. Now, as you can see here, uh, this one wants play catch tagline for finance. Okay, you can see here the amount that he offers 300,000. I mean 300. Here also brand name for tech startup. So there is a tech startup company here. They just want a brand name for their company. So if you give them the good name, you are going to be paid 300 US dollars. You can see this one wants a logo. This company wants a logo, also pays three. So how are we going to be paid? Now, if you win, you should enter into contest. Now, once you win, you will be paid that amount. So the winner is going to be paid that amount. Now, you may say I may waste a lot of time thinking of the names. Now, I'm going to show you the website that can help you in your creative process so that you can get the names needed fast. Let me finish this, then I will go direct to the website that you can use so that it can help you to be creative so that you can generate the names and get the ideas fast and start earning money on this website. This one wants an energetic name for model dog brand. You see, they pay 300 US dollars. This one wants a tagline and they pay $300. You see, so there are so many opportunities here. So just enter into contest. Once you win, you'll be given this amount. So you can earn a lot. And there are so many people who are earning a lot of money here because uh, not many people are aware with these opportunities. So these are just new opportunities. Okay, once you get and decide the idea that you want to work on, for example, let us take an example. This one, this company wants a brand name, a new brand name. So they want a name, so that they want you to suggest a brand name that they can use for their new startup. And they are dealing with technology. It's called, they have written here a brand name for a tech startup. So we know that they are dealing with technology. So we can recommend the names that we think that they can use, and make sure that the name that you recommend, it is domain name also must be available. It is very important. Not must, but it is important. Most of the companies want the domain names to be available so that they can start their business instantly. Now, how can you simplify your creative process that can generate different names within a short period of time? You can go to this website. Just go on Google, type businessnamegenerator.com, and you'll be brought to this website. It's called businessnamegenerator.com. This one will help to simplify your creative process so that you can get several names and combine and be ready to sell and earn money fast. Now, for example, we have seen that companies dealing with technology. It's a tech startup. So we can type here tech, just an example, just showing you an example. There are various ways that you can get good names, but I'm just showing this one as an example. So you can see there are several names available, as you can see here. Several names are available, and as I told you that, make sure that the name that you choose, you have to confirm that the domain name also is available. Now, if you don't want to follow this process that are here, because also from this you can click and check if the domain name is available or not. But the simplest way also, you can go on GoDaddy and check here godaddy.com or whatever. Then maybe I write here take money, to check this one if it is available or not. And if it's available, so go ahead and suggest some of the names that are available that are relating to that. So also GoDaddy can help you with this creative process. As you can see, they say that techman.com is taken, but they can suggest some alternatives. For example, take home, as you can see, it is available. Solutions Groom is available. Solutionsgroom.com is available. TakeOnServiceman.com is available. TakeManTalk.com is available. TakeManFit.com is available. So I've just given you the ways that you can use so that you can generate good ideas. So let me show you another way how you can monetize your ideas on this platform. Also, you can sell your logos. So if you are creative, you can create logos also and sell on this website. Also, you can generate different names also and start selling. For example, you can see name for sale. So others are just creating, even if they are not entering into contest. Still, there's such a chance you can create a particular tagline or brand name that you think that other companies will be interested, especially startups, and start selling here. So others are just creating logos, taglines, and start selling on this platform. So if you are creative and you like designs, you can create logos and start earning money from this website. Friend, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button below, share and like so that others also can know this opportunity. Sharing is caring. Let us grow together. Thank you for watching.